This is a YouTube channel dedicated to AI videos of inspirational videos. This channel, the craziest video, has 36 million views, followed by 29 million. Have you seen such an explosive traffic video? Obvious. These videos are all created using AI. You don't have to show your face in these videos. No need to shoot videos yourself. No need to record yourself. Can create these AI videos. How he did it. And just with such a channel, he can earn advertising revenue on YouTube, monthly income of $8,000 to $13,000 USD. And this is just a conservative estimate of the benefits. As far as I know, this type of motivational video, he has a very high CPM value. It is entirely possible that he can earn between $90,000 and $1 million in advertising revenue a year, because his traffic every day is very crazy. There are 1 million to 3 million traffic every day. So there is such a high profit. Not surprising at all. At the same time, he can also earn through ClickBank. Second commission income. That is, he just needs to link the ad. Put it in his video description column. He will be able to earn a second profit, because you can see the commission income on ClickBank. Commissions on business investments are quite high. In this way, the commission can be as high as $1,155 United States dollars per order. The lowest commissions are 133.48 USD and 117 United States dollars. These are all for commercial purposes. Because of his commission, very high returns. If you want to make a short video through traditional methods, create short videos. You want to shoot a video, add voiceover, subtitles with dubbing, and then go through the editing process to complete a video. But today I will go through a one-stop short video creation website. To complete the series of operations, create short videos with one click. To make popular short videos, let you achieve double passive income. Let's start sharing today's content now. I'm Timmy. Let's first come to the AI toolbox. Find the folder where you can create videos with one click. See the creation of the first short video. Let's go to this website. We create an account on this website. I've already created it here. You just need a Google account. Log in to create. Then I just need one command to Chat GPT. He can create for me about inspirational title content, because I asked him to create 50 inspirational and attractive title. If you want to be more specific, describe the content of your title. You can ask him to make adjustments in more detail. It must be described more clearly. I'm just making an example here so it's simple. Then just copy its title. I just need to enter an idea. He has a lot of ideas here. Just choose an idea to create a script. Include scary stories or random stories. Bedtime story. Historical story. I just typed in the title. He quickly made a draft. And he was created by AI. So you just need to click. Here he can create again. You can see, if you are not satisfied with this content, you can also create again. If you are satisfied with the content of this article, just continue to the next step. This time it's dubbing. What kind of voice do you need? Read these texts.
The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. In the heart of the city, there is a large park. The library is a quiet and peaceful place.
I like to choose the third pronunciation because it sounds very natural. At this time, continue to the next step. This software has a good feature. This is the picture he created. You can ask him how many seconds to generate an AI picture, or change once. Here is to seconds or 2.5 seconds. Or you can adjust to a longer time. Here I ask him to change it every 2 seconds. Then the following parameters. We can see here is its transition. That is, transition. This sound effect. We all have to open it. This is to remove some muted content. There is also an animation effect. Open all. After opening all, the video we will see him make is very good. You can see that he has started to generate this video. We need to wait a few minutes. You can see that this video has been created. Click to open this video. And this video he has a very good. We can click to see. Here on the left, the first thing you see is the style of the title. Here we can also click to open. 3 points here. This is to set up your emoticon package. Animations in emoticons. What kind of animation do you want to display? And where is your display of it? That is to say, it is different from other AI websites. He automatically generates some emoticons. In these titles, we can see in this video, below this subtitle, this is the rocket. Little rocket is an emoticon pack. Add this emoticon pack can help make your video more beautiful, more vivid. Here is an animation to explain you how the text animation is displayed. How is the animation method? Go check it according to your own needs. These are modified in this way. You can choose not to modify it if you want. Then we choose the second. It's a style. That is, what style do you want to display it in? You can see this is. You can compare these styles. This text is a little slanted. Display mode. Then you can see these styles below. Look at the display. Which one do you like? Still, the word is shaking, so you need to see which one you like. It has quite a few styles. Many people use display methods. Let's go back to the editing options. How to display subtitles. Then these parameters. You can adjust it. Because he has become intelligent, you can replace it if you need to. Choose different colors, font color, etc. Here is the animated picture of the picture display. How should you show it? Here you can modify. Parameters to modify. This will automatically set it up for you. Of course, you can modify it. Default is also fine. For these pictures, we can also set the generated images. If you are not satisfied with a picture, we can also click here to update, to get new pictures. For example, here I am. Want a new picture? Then click here to get a new image. You can see the picture just now. The way the person stands. Has anything changed? So now it has been replaced with a new picture. You can also search. Get more of these pictures. Just click on a keyword. You can search for many of these pictures. But I think AI generates these pictures still more relevant to your content. Of course you can. Enter different keywords to get these images. Upload another picture yourself. It's better to create it through AI. These pictures would be better. You can see these pictures after it has been generated. There are also attractions for netizens. Subscribe to your channel. When showing, turn on this feature. Let others pay attention to your video. You can choose different ways. You can upload your own avatar here. The voice when paying attention. This is background music. You can listen to these background music. I choose this kind of music here. So you can listen to all these music. Or you can search here. Search for your favorite music. Finally, the name of your template. The following is a font. But actually this font is quite nice. You can choose other fonts you like. After these settings are done, let's save it here. Save it and then we can listen to it. Try this video to see how it works and download it.
Is inevitable. It's a constant force that shapes our lives, whether we're ready for it or not. But what if we told you that change doesn't have to be something to fear? In fact, it can be a powerful opportunity for growth and self-discovery. Imagine this. You're standing on the edge of a cliff, staring out at the vast unknown. Your heart is racing, your palms are sweaty, but there's also a sense of excitement coursing through your veins. That's the power of change. It's a chance to step out of your comfort zone and embrace something new. But how do you find the strength to take that leap? It starts with mindset. Instead of seeing change as a threat, try viewing it as an adventure. Embrace the uncertainty and trust that you have the skills and resilience to navigate any challenge that comes your way. Of course, it's not always easy. Transitions can be messy, chaotic, and downright scary. But by focusing on the present moment and taking things one step at a time, you can build momentum and gain confidence. So the next time change comes knocking at your door, don't hide under the covers. Instead, throw open the door and welcome it with open arms. You might just discover a whole new side of yourself.
When we finished the video, need a tool. This is a TubeBuddy tool. Make this video. Of course, we need to upload this video. Upload this video. An advertising link on ClickBank. That is, you can get it here. For example, if I want to promote this ad, I can click here to promote, get a link. You can see that this is your advertising link. Just copy this link and put it in your description. You want to get higher views. Let me share with you a trick that you can click to open its video. We can see that its detected SEO score reaches 95 points. You can use the TubeBuddy tool to detect its score. Is your title setting good? And the content of your label, is it set up well? Found in my toolbox. This is a TubeBuddy tool. You can install this tool for free. After installation, you can see it in the upper right corner. There is a TubeBuddy icon. Then select the keyword here. Select keywords. That is, the keywords of your tab bar. What should be filled in? Keywords for success or inspirational stories. So, what we are searching for here is inspirational short video. We can see that this is an inspirational short video keyword. Its search volume is not very high, only more than 20,000 searches. If you search for inspirational keywords, you can see this keyword. This search volume is incredible. 7 million searches. It is very popular. That is, you know that this keyword is popular. We can based on these keywords. We can select these keywords. Put it on your tab bar. If the free version, maybe you can show the following. Not so much. Only the first 3 to 5 keywords are displayed. A relatively small number of keywords are displayed. It's enough, because you can search for more keywords like this. You fill it in here. Choose these keywords, your tab bar, then these related keywords. We can all choose. Then put it in your tag. Copy the keywords. Ask him to put down your tab bar, just like him, on his tab bar. Put a lot of these keywords. In this case, you can increase the exposure of his video and get higher playback volume. You can see his description column here. Didn't put an advertising link in front. So it's a pity. Put an advertising link here. It's just one more passive income. You can see it also has a lot of these keywords on it. It also plays a certain role. If today's video content, if it can be of some help to you, I hope you can give this video a free like. If you have any problems with operation, you can tell me through the message area below. If you have the latest creative ideas, I will also share it with you as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next issue.